Let's go to Dollar Tree. Let's go to Dollar Tree. We're at Dollar Tree, baby. Getting some cups. I had this cup here and dropped it for my water. Remember, guys, always get glass cups. Glass cups are good for you instead of plastic. You're not drinking those chemicals. Just come to Dollar Tree. Nothing fancy. Oh, they got these right here. These are for the mason jars. I'm gonna get one of these mason jars. $1.25. And I'll get one of these bad boys. $1.25. Yo, Dollar Tree got some okay cups or mugs. These are nice. But $1.25? I mean, we have nice cups and mugs at home, but for everyday use, I'll get these. If they break, I won't get mad. Just go back to Dollar Tree. And the glass is better than plastic. Always drink out of glass. These are cool right here. All right, that was a quick stop at Dollar Tree back there. So, like I was saying, make sure you drink out of glass cups, because those plastic cups, you're just drinking all those plastic chemicals. And I know they're finding plastic chemicals in food and all that, but try to prevent that. You just go to Dollar Tree, and if you break them, it's $1.25. Like, we have good cups, like I said, at home. But these are everyday use. You don't have to worry about breaking them. Who cares? You just go to Dollar Tree and get another one. Right?
Correcto.
That's right. Let's go. Where to next?
Gas station.
Oh, we're going to the gas station now. Gas station time, baby. Gotta get ready for the week, you know? We still working. That's why we need you to subscribe, share, give us likes so that we can continue traveling for you guys, showing you areas, growing the channel, getting merchandise. All those who become Patreon followers and donate to our channel, you'll be getting free items, free stuff, like when we go to Disney, free gear. But we just need to grow the channel. It's growing little by little, but and we appreciate it, but we need more. So go ahead and share, click on that link, click on the notification bell so you can stay on top of the videos as soon as they drop. Peace, let's go.